Okay, we're going to find the derivative of the inverse sine of square root of x. So first of all, we have to remember what's the derivative of inverse sine of x, right? So let me just write this down right here for you guys. Remember, when we have just the inverse sine of x right here, its derivative is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay? Now, let's come back here. When we differentiate, let me just put on y prime. For the big picture, well, when you differentiate inverse sine x, you first put down 1 over square root and then 1 minus, right? It's pretty much this form. But this time the input is square root of x. So you are going to enter square root of x right here. And don't forget this right here is to the second power. So that's the big picture. Now, we are going to do the chain rule. We are going to multiply by the derivative inside. Derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x. So that's what we have. Well, in the end, we just need to clean things up a little bit. Notice this and that cancel. So we just have 1 over square root of 1 minus x from this times that. Well, we can write this down as 1 over 1 times 1. And then we'll put this down first, which is the 2. And then let me just write down the square root of x right here. And then I'll write that down. Square root of 1 minus x. So this is pretty good. And if you would like, because this x and that is inside, and if you don't need to worry about the domain situations, you can multiply the x with that. So this right here is a perfectly okay answer. If not, maybe you can also write this down as 1 over 2. And you multiply the inside together, namely x times 1 minus x. And of course, you can multiply that out, 1 over 2 square root x minus x squared. So just like that as well. So this is a pretty standard derivative question. And the truth is, later on, we will see how to go backwards. Meaning, if you have this, can you figure out the original function? Anyway, that's later on. But at the moment, that's it.